Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you are doing well. Today I will explain about the course which name is Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Therapy, offered by Taseer Dawakhana Private Limited. It is a special course prepared for the diseased male infertility. In today's program I will brief you what is male infertility, why it happens, its symptoms, reasons of this disease, indications, male infertility types and how to cure this disease. Viewers, first of all we should know about what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent, unprotected sex for at least a year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile. And there are several hormones which affects on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. In general, the normal testosterone range in males is about 270 to 1070 nanogram per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary glands. In males, where luteinizing hormone had also been called interstitial cell-stimulating hormones, it stimulates Leydig cell production testosterone for males. The normal range is 1.24 to 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormones LH levels are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. Their pituitary gland may not be working enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. Follicle stimulating hormone is a gonadotropin, synthesized secreted by the gonadotropic cells of the anterior pituitary gland, and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive processes of the body. Normal FSH levels in adult men are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international unit per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone level in a male may indicate testicles are not working. FSH level in a male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle stimulating hormones level in males may indicate problem with the pituitary gland in the brain. If you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, there is a chance that something may be interfering with your efforts to have a child. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility. First one, primary infertility, and second, secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility, or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, condition related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and our exposure to certain environmental elements. Viewers, semen produced in testicles. Testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele. A hydrocele is type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheets surrounding our testicles. Hydrocele is common in newborns and usually disappear without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicles. A varicocele is similar to varicose vein you might see in your legs. Varicoceles are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. There are the types of sperm disease named which can cause infertility. Viewers, there are three types of sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia and nicrospermia. Now I will tell you about what is azoospermia. Viewers, azoospermia is a medical condition of the man whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cell in semen, blood in semen or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male infertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 million. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in men. Physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormones level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is the condition in which there is low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatoza in semen. It can be diagnosed via a semen analysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. Reasons: there are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 million of sperms. If he has 50 million or less than 50 million active sperms, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, we have a formula: 200 by 75% is equal to 150 million active sperm. 200 by 70% is equal to 140 million active sperm. 200 by 60% is equal to 120 million active sperm. Viewers, a man produce 50,000 sperm in a minute, 72 million in a day. These sperm get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm disease. Now I will tell you about treatment of male infertility. Viewers, Taasir Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all disease by using Taasir Talai Sperm Growth Therapy by Taasir Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientists of our institute Taasir Dawakhana work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taasir. Qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taasir Talai Kasturi Sperm Growth Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effects. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taasir Talai Kasturi Sperm Growth course is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taasir Pharma Private Limited. Taasir Talai Kasturi Sperm Growth Therapy cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cells infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection, and start producing sperms. Your person will be relieved from all infertility disease. Increase HGH hormone level, FSH, follicle stimulating hormones, luteinizing hormone LH, and normalize the sperm count of men so they become fertile. Extra benefits of Taasir Almaz Kasturi Sperm Growth Therapy. Almaz Kasturi Sperm Growth Therapy is a special and expensive course, consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Taasir Talai Kasturi Sperm Growth course unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow. Because the ingredients in Taasir Talai Kasturi Sperm Growth course highest quality and verified or purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Quality is to achieve the gain of centimeters in penis length and especially the girth to help get your confidence and sexually satisfying experience, which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. For better cure, avoid sexual relation with partner during course and medications. Avoid eating potatoes, beans, beef, all spices and cold drink. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. Viewers, don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects your penis and make you infertile. So avoid to do this thing. Quit smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility, and any alcohol use can affect the health of a developing sperms. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress and had poorer result with infertility treatment. If you can, find a way to reduce stress in your life. Eliminate your infertility with Taseer Talai Kasturi sperm growth therapy and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Talai Kasturi sperm growth therapy, which will cure all infertility disease and problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.